In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures to your Canva presentation. This simple feature can completely transform your slides, making them more visually appealing and helping your message stand out. Whether you're creating a school project, a business presentation, or a personal design, adding the right images can elevate your entire layout. So let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Canva project. You can use a brand new presentation or continue working on one you've already started. Once your presentation is open on the screen, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find all your tools for building and customizing your slides. Among these options, look for the section labeled Uploads. When you click on Uploads, you'll see a library of images and media you've already added to your Canva account. If the picture you want is already there, you can use it right away. But if it's a new image, you'll need to bring it in manually. At the top of the Uploads panel, click the button that says Upload Files. This will open a window on your device where you can browse through your folders, find the picture you want, select it, and upload it to Canva. The upload may take a moment depending on your internet speed and the size of your file. Once it finishes, the image will appear in your library and you're ready to place it on your slide. To add the image into your presentation, simply click and drag it onto your canvas. As soon as you release your mouse, the picture will appear on the slide. From here, you can adjust it to fit your layout. Drag from any of the corners to resize it without stretching or distorting it. Move it around the slide until it sits exactly where you want it. This is where Canva becomes really helpful because its snapping guides make alignment quick and easy. If you want the image to blend into your design even more, you can take advantage of Canva's editing tools. You can crop your image, add filters, adjust brightness or contrast, and even remove backgrounds if your plan supports it. These adjustments help you match the style of your presentation, making everything feel more polished and consistent. Once you're happy with how your slides look, it's time to present your work. Look toward the upper right corner and click the Present button. Your presentation will open in full screen, displaying your images clearly and professionally. This final step gives you a chance to preview your work the same way your audience will see it, and that's all there is to it. Adding pictures in Canva is a quick but powerful way to improve your presentation. With just a few clicks, your slides become more engaging, more memorable, and more visually balanced. Keep experimenting with different layouts and image styles until you find the look that best matches your message. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating beautiful presentations with Canva.